Hello everyone. I hope you all are having a good time. So let me start with a quick introduction of myself. I am Akash Gupta. I'm working as a software engineer at a data cloud gaze. So recently I've been like facing a little bit of a slow query problem. So I just thought to build a lightweight, less dependency alert mechanism, so which can help me to get alert of a slow query execution. So yeah, let me put a little bit of context on what the problem is. So whenever we have a slow query execution on your PostgreSQL instance, so your slow query execution is mainly sitting on the PGStat activity in an active state, and it may damage your database performance, and also it might be doing large sequential scan on the large table. So yeah, and whenever we user can get problems in the performance, you might not have enough time to act on it. So the traditional way to fix on it is to correct using a PGStat activity, find out the offending PID and just terminate it. So here where PG Flare comes into role. So it's basically a automated solution with the four major components: Postgres, Python, and OpenClaw. Here is a AI driven, and we are using a channel for the target is a Telegram. So as we all know, Postgres already has a listen notify mechanism which will be working as a doorbell for us, and we are using a Python for a API wrapper, and OpenClaw is our AI agent. So it will be handling all the conversation, getting all those metadata from the source and delivering it to the target. So let's get a little bit deep down and how it's gonna work. So firstly, there will be a slow notification execution function onto the Postgres, which will be getting PID, query, all those metadata which are required for our alert system, and it will be transferring it to the Python wrapper. And what the Python wrapper will be doing, it will be triggering into the decided threshold, and whenever the threshold has been crossed, so it will be passing that metadata towards the OpenClaw. So here's where real magic happens. So OpenClaw will be taking all those metadata. OpenClaw already has its own cron job mechanism which will be running into the decided frequency, and the main thing, it will be using its own skill.md, which will be beautifying our mechanism, handling how the output should be look like on our source channel. In my example, majorly I have used Telegram, but yeah, OpenClaw also supports other target channel as well, so like WhatsApp, Slack, etc., etc. And yeah, so here's just a small glimpse of how our target on the Telegram message will be looking like. So whenever you will be getting any slow query notification on your Telegram, you will be also getting a human in the loop kind of thing. So you will be getting a decision to whether to keep it running or to decide or kill. So you have to just put the input, and yeah, so you will be done. So here I will take a short second pause. You can just scan the QR code, go through the GitHub repo, and there is only a simple setup file. You can just run it and you are good to go with the setup.